Today we're going to be taking a look at the CURT weight distribution system with shank. It's available with a 6,000 pound gross trailer weight and a 600 pound tongue weight, an 8,000 pound gross trailer weight and an 800 pound tongue weight, a 10,000 pound gross trailer weight and a 1,000 pound tongue weight, and finally a 15,000 pound gross trailer weight and a 1,500 pound tongue weight. This CURT weight distribution system is a nice entry-level setup. It comes with almost everything you need: the adjustable shank, the adjustable head, the spring bar, and the lift bracket tool. You will, however, need to purchase your own hitch ball. Make sure it has an 1.25" diameter shank. One thing that sets this weight distribution apart from the rest is its ability to accept bar-style friction sway control on either side of the head. CURT friction sway control is available with part number 17200. It features 3 adjustable points here on the shank, and the head tilt has 5 adjustable positions. The spring bar tension is adjusted with the chain and the lift bracket. The lift brackets are easy to install. There is no drilling required. They simply sit on top of your trailer's A-frame and tighten down with the included hardware. Our spring bars measure 28 inches and our bracket width measures 4 inches. Our shank offers a maximum drop of a 1/2 inch and a maximum rise of 7.5 inches. Our hitch pin and clip are included. Now let's take a look at how the weight distribution helps us out. I've gone ahead and disconnected. Let's get a stock height measurement of our vehicle. Here at the rear, we're going to measure from the ground up to the underside of the wheel well. We've got about 39.25 inches. Here at the front, we've got about 38.75 of an inch. Now we want to be sure and write these measurements down because these are the measurements we want to get back to when we engage and get our weight distribution hooked up. Now I've got my trailer hooked up without any weight distribution at all. Here in the rear, we're squatting about 1.5 inches from our stock measurement, and here in the front, we've tilted up about 3/4 of an inch. Now this can cause handling issues, traction issues, and tire wear. All in all, less than desirable. With our weight distribution hooked up, we're in for a much more enjoyable ride. We're back to stock height here at the rear, and we've only got about a 1/4 inch tilt here at the front. The weight distribution does just that. It distributes the weight evenly between the axles of your trailer and your tow vehicle. Let's take a closer look on how it's installed. The shank can be installed in either the rise or drop position. The head height is set with the included bolts and lock nuts, and the head tilt spacer locks in our tilt. Increasing head tilt will allow us to apply more tension to the bars, giving us more lift. Our bars are attached to the head with the included pins and clips. Our bars are attached to the lift bracket with the pre-installed chains. The fewer the links, the more tension you'll have, though you won't want to drop below 5 links. And finally, our lift bracket is secured to our trailer's A-frame. There's no drilling required. It has all the hardware included, though you may have to relocate your battery box or your propane tanks. And that completes our look at the CURT weight distribution system with shank.